Hi friends, we meet again. My pleasure to have you here to have fun in my happy kitchen today. A friend introduced spicy fermented bean curd. Let's use it to stir-fry broccoli and black fungus today. My family has only eaten red fermented bean curd since I was little, so today's recipe surprised me. It turns out that white fermented bean curd has a really strong flavor and is delicious when used in stir-fries without adding salt. Friends who are interested, remember to follow my channel and save the recipes, otherwise I'm afraid you won't be able to find me. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are broccoli, black fungus, white fermented bean curd, and chopped garlic. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Black fungus cut into smaller pieces. Mix white fermented bean curd with hot water sand, stir well. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add broccoli and stir-fry. Drizzle water from side of wok and cook broccoli until cooked. Add black fungus. Add white fermented bean curd sauce. Thickening the sauce with cornstarch weight. Stir-fry broccoli and black fungus with white fermented bean curd is done. This dish tastes great and appetizing. It goes well with rice too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. You YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.